Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stack Overflow, ask questions, and earn reputation step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Stack Overflow. Look at the top right of the page and click the Login button. Choose a login method such as Google, GitHub, or email. If you pick Google or GitHub, select your account and approve access when prompted. If you pick email, type your email address and continue. Check your inbox for the sign-in link or verification code from Stack Overflow. Click the link or enter the code to complete the login. After logging in, click your profile icon to open the menu. Select Profile to see your account page and basic settings. Click Edit Profile and add a clear display name and a short bio. Add your location and website only if you want to share them publicly. Click Save Profile to keep your changes. Use the search bar to look for existing answers to your problem first. Open a few similar questions to understand the format and expectations. Click Ask Question at the top of the page when you are ready. Write a specific title that describes the issue and includes key terms. In the question body, explain what you are trying to achieve in simple steps. Paste the exact error message and mention the programming language and version. Add a minimal reproducible example of your code that others can run. Describe what you already tried and what happened when you tried it. Scroll to tags and add 1 to 5 accurate tags for your topic. Review the preview to confirm formatting, code blocks, and readability. Click Post your question and wait for answers and comments. When someone asks for clarification, reply politely and update your question if needed. If an answer solves your problem, click the check mark to accept it. Upvote helpful answers to reward good explanations and improve visibility. Earn reputation when your questions and answers receive upvotes from the community. Read the Help Center and site rules to avoid common beginner mistakes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.